Here in good old McCall, letting the bikes warm up. Not quite a bluebird day yet, but a couple clouds up there. Bike's getting nice up to temp. We will get geared up and head up and get some cool, see where we can get. Just me and Jay today, so we're gonna try to cover a lot of ground. So yeah, we just that's about the end of the trail riding now.
Yeah.
Now it's all gonna be this stuff. So
dude, I definitely noticed, like, if I start to lose speed going in your track,
yeah,
and then hopping back out, it helps a ton.
Yep. So yeah, we are up here, about to drop down. We're gonna hit that ridge over there. Right now we're about to go crissy-crossy in some trees. All right. Snow on there. I just took Jay through a really shitty line. You get stuck?
I'm good. I'm just gonna take another route.
Do you need a hand? I'm out. It's open right after that tree. This is straight up epic. Oops. This is definitely a day we're gonna remember. Man, it's deep. I mean, probably got a couple feet of fresh powder, but it's pretty soft, not too soft where you know, you get some floaty curves, but you got enough traction still. But man, I don't know if you can see through those trees up there. It's pretty epic. I mean, look at this. Snow everywhere, and we're just getting started. It's definitely a dope day. Man, this Selkirk is worth its weight in gold, I think. We're going through quite a bit of power. Temps chilling at 170. Maybe we should walk down here and see. Jay needs a hand. Ooh. Shit, maybe not. Do you need a hand?
Yeah, I'm good. One sec.
Copy. You hear some sleds down yonder. Woo! Yeah. Anyways, this bike though, this is a Aro 3. So it's a 129, 3-inch paddles. Hear those guys. Got the Selkirk 2019 and a half KTM 450 factory. What was that? Grizzly hooked us up on this, but this Selkirk just melting everything off, keeping it warm. Seat concepts. It's like my couch. Got the Trail Tech Voyager. I mean, seriously, that trio, man, this kit's just running completely flawlessly. Sounds like Jay's coming out of the trees. Oh, here it comes.
Uh-huh.
You a little stuck?
Oh, yeah. She's deep.
It is deep.
So
Did you
fun.
see me just run over that tree on my way out?
Yeah, dude, so I tried to follow your line? No.
Just sunk?
Well, I was just catching pegs and dragging hard.
Yeah.
So I chose not to go through there.
Yeah, it ripped my left foot off where my left foot like went back on this piece.
Oh, really?
Like this.
Yeah. I believe it.
So
as soon as I get in your line, it freaking pulls.
like I always tell everyone, it's like the Mario Kart game that has the little lines.
Yes.
And you hit it and it gives you that jolt.
Yeah, that's
exactly what it feels like.
That's so funny. I never thought about
Oh, yeah. So
that. Yeah, you hit it, you're like, bring.
yeah. snow, but letting his bike get some temperature in it. And I told him he's got to take that Aro 3 out here in this deep snow. We got a little zone that wasn't too touched, so I told him to go pair her up. See what he thinks. I was hoping to get a little clip of him coming back around.
It's not even fair. That's insane.
Dude,
I cannot believe that.
I can't believe that 3 inches. I mean, 3 inches goes a long way.
Dude, it feels like my 2.5 on the snow we rode the prior weekends.
Crazy.
Like climbing and everything.
Yeah, dude, it's nuts. I can't believe how it gets around in this snow.
It blows my mind. It climbs.
I know I promised you I'd stop talking about how awesome my 3 is.
I'm blown away.
This is just my first day riding it in its element.
Yeah. This is insane. I'm like, I can't believe it.